You're watching Newstainment Television.
Hello everyone, Pooja Nawathe here from Hotifly.
Hi buddy, how's it going?
Hi. The trailer looks outstanding and you are looking so stunning.
Thank you so much.
Okay, पश्मीना आपकी तीन सिचुएशन है. ओके, तो आपको चूज करना है बिटवीन रोहित, नाइला, जिब्रान. इस सिचुएशन में आप किसको चूज करेंगे, ठीक है?
क्या सिचुएशन क्या है?
ठीक है.
अच्छा, आप
हाँ, मैं
बताएंगे.
बताऊँ. पहला सिचुएशन है प्रॉम नाइट.
Hello. Hello.
Rohit.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're on a very boring date.
Okay.
You have to make a rescue call.
Gypsy always.
और आपका बहुत बुरा ब्रेकअप हुआ है and you want to vent out.
Naila.
Oh, so cute. Thank you so much.
You right.
रोहित, आपको भी ऐड करना है ऐसे तीन
नहीं
सिचुएशन.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मेरा नाम उन्होंने लिया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, Pooja Nawathe here from Hotifly.
Hi buddy, how's it going?
Hi. The trailer looks outstanding and you are looking so stunning.
Thank you so much.
Okay, पश्मीना आपकी तीन सिचुएशन है. ओके, तो आपको चूज करना है बिटवीन रोहित, नाइला, जिब्रान. इस सिचुएशन में आप किसको चूज करेंगे, ठीक है?
क्या सिचुएशन क्या है?
ठीक है.
अच्छा, आप
हाँ, मैं
बताएंगे.
बताऊँ.
ठीक है.
पहला सिचुएशन है प्रॉम नाइट.
Hello. Hello.
Rohit.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're on a very boring date.
Okay.
You have to make a rescue call.
Gypsy always.
और आपका बहुत बुरा ब्रेकअप हुआ है and you want to vent out.
Naila.
Oh, so cute. Thank you so much.
You right.
रोहित, आपको भी ऐड करना है ऐसे तीन
नहीं
सिचुएशन.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मेरा नाम उन्होंने लिया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Thank you.
So, Jibran, the next question is for you. So, like Ramesha mentioned that you never revealed that you were the K3 ji ka bacha during the auditions.
Yes.
But playing Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol's on-screen son, has that weightage ever been there now that you are following into films?
No, not at all. I think, in fact, it's a privilege, it's an honor to play their child at such a young age. And I feel that the amount of love which has transcended over the years, it's unconditional. Like, even today, people give me that same love. And I just hope, it continues with Ishq Wishq and inshallah, whatever happens in life. So there's no pressure, but there's just too much love. And yeah, there's too much love. Thank you.
Lastly, Rohit, how do you plan to tackle with all the comparisons to Shahid Kapoor?
So I honestly, it's happened already. It started off with the title track when it released. Everyone compared. I think it's firstly a huge honor to even be compared to somebody as legendary as Shahid Kapoor. I have absolutely been a huge fan of him over the years, especially starting with Ishq Wishq, considering that was his first film. I remember watching him dance to the title track, which was actually a part of a massive medley. It was a small part of that. And I remember watching that and being in awe of how amazing a dancer he was. And of course, over the years, he's proven himself to be a phenomenal actor. So, the moment I'm being compared to Shahid sir, I think it's a huge honor in the first place. But at the same time, it's an honor. I feel like I don't want. I take it in best spirits, sir, because in all honesty, I don't have that kind of pressure that I'm trying to fill his shoes, because it's a very different story. It's a very different story. The characters are very, very different, and so the situation in the film is very different. I've said this many times before in my interviews. I'm pretty certain you guys have heard it. I said it even during the title track launch, that it just belongs to the same franchise, the two films. There's nothing similar about the film. Of course, we've been fortunate. Thank you, Ramesh ji. Thank you, Nipun. Thank you, Jaya, our producer right there, for letting us, get those tracks back in our film to give us that honor. But in all honesty, sir, I honestly take it in the best spirit, and I feel, deep down, I feel very happy that somebody is comparing me, because I know that if I had to choose between Rohit and Shahid, I would always choose Shahid.
I choose you! precious 10 days to go, guys. So all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, can you hear you?
Hello.
Oh, we can-
Yeah. Hi, this is Meghna here from Hollywood Helpline.
Oh,
Meera-
sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. Sorry.
दिल तोड़ दिया
ट्रेलर लुक्स सो अमेजिंग. बहुत टाइम के बाद एक रोम कॉम आ रही है और आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस फिल्म. मेरा सवाल आप चारों से है कि फ्रेंडशिप के ब्रेकअप ज्यादा हर्ट करते हैं या रिलेशनशिप के?
ये बहुत भारी क्वेश्चन है. My best friend is right here. This is a very hurtful question.
बट फिर भी कुछ
No, I definitely think friendships के breakups ज़्यादा hurt करते हैं क्योंकि जब when you go into a friendship, you think this is going to be there with you for your life. A breakup, relationship, you always have in the back of your mind that maybe this won't work out. But your friend, when they're not there with you, you always think about that. And that will stay, it kind of stays with you for your life if it's a very close friend, I feel. So they're definitely worse.
Yeah, most definitely. I would say the same. I can't imagine my life without my two best friends, Rohan and Aisha, and it would break my heart if it has to come to that. I don't think I'll be able to handle that.
Likewise, I feel like friends are your foundation, and you bounce off all your ideas from them. And I feel like if you would lose a friend in a friendship breakup, I think that would hurt a little bit more than a romantically inclined relationship that you're having. But that being said, दोनों में बहुत तगड़ा दुख होने वाला है अगर either of the two were to happen.
So
यस मेरे दो दोस्त बचपन के दोस्त यहीं बैठे हैं, मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स नर्सरी से, सूरज एंड जानवी. एंड वो हर मोड में मेरे साथ रहे लाइफ में. तो अगर मैं उन्हें खो दूंगा तो मैं शायद फंक्शन नहीं कर पाऊंगा. सो आई थिंक फ्रेंडशिप ओवर रोमांस एनी डे. यस,
थैंक यू सो मच.
चेक भिजवा दें.
हाय नाइला, नीतू सिंह फ्रॉम दैनिक भास्कर.
Hello.
ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत खूबसूरत है, नया नया प्यार. सो एक सवाल मेरा आपसे है नाइला कि शाहिद कपूर की शुरुआत हुई थी इश्क विश्क से और वो शामक डावर के स्टूडेंट थे. आप भी शामक डावर ग्रुप के स्टूडेंट हैं और आपकी भी शुरुआत हो रही है इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड से. खैर शुरुआत हो चुकी है लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छी और खूबसूरत शुरुआत है और एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत कनेक्शन है. सो इस इत्तेफाक पर आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
खूबसूरत इत्तेफाक है डेफिनेटली. मैं बहुत छोटी थी एंड मैंने परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स शुरू कर दिया था, वेदर इट वाज थिएटर और डांस. एंड आई वाज very happy that I could be associated with dancing gurus like Mr. Shamak Davar, Ashley Lobo. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful coincidence that both Gibran and I have a close relationship with Mr. Shamak Davar. We both have been students. In fact, he has even been a trainer. So for us to be even dancing to the title track of Ishq Vishk Pyar Vyar is it's quite surreal. कहाँ सोचा था बचपन में कि बड़े होके उसी गाने में हम नाचेंगे एंड वो ही हुक स्टेप करेंगे. It's quite a pinch me moment and thanks.
Thank you.
Hi, Mayur here. To your left, Pashmina. Hi, Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood. To your right, sorry. I'm sorry, to your right.
Hello, Mayur.
Hi. मेरा एक hypothetical question है which I believe a lot of us must have faced or may not have faced in life. अगर आपकी दोस्ती रहती है किसी से एक शख्स से लंबे समय से और फिर ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो शख्स आपसे इश्क करने लगता है लेकिन आपने उस शख्स को कभी उस नज़र से नहीं देखा. ऐसी स्थिति में उस दोस्त को कैसे मनाया जाए और क्या उसकी दोस्ती को कैसे बरकरार रखें, इस पर कुछ कह सकती हैं आप?
Oh my God, ये तो बहुत इंटेंस क्वेश्चन है. आई होप ये कभी किसी के साथ हो ना, बट अगर हो जाए तो आई थिंक इन लाइफ कम्युनिकेशन इज द solution to most problems. If human beings sit and interact and communicate without having judgment, most problems and most contentions can get solved. तो communicate करें, we'll sit, we'll talk about it multiple times if it comes to that. But do whatever it takes for the friendship to not break. Like they've all said, that your childhood friends or your closest friends are there, your rock. Without them, your life is nothing, literally. They're your chosen family, honestly. So you do whatever you can to not let that break.
So शारिक फ्रॉम स्टाइल लूना, और मेरा सवाल आप चारों से है कि मतलब इश्क विश्क की बात की जाए तो मतलब आप लोग कितना ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन इश्क में बिलीव करते हो या न्यू ट्रेडिशन इश्क में बिलीव करते हो, क्या है?
क्या बात है सर, अपनी जगह दिया सर।
ये कौन पूछेगा वो? ये कौन पूछेगा?
मेरा आंसर सर, मैं थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल हूँ। आशिक, यस, थैंक्स जीटी। तो मुझे थोड़ा वो ओल्ड स्कूल वाइब पसंद है। चिट्ठियाँ नहीं लिखता हूँ मैं, बट डेफिनेटली थोड़ा ठहराव है एंड कामनेस है। बट रही बात आज के दौर की भी, जो लव लैंग्वेज है उसमें भी कुछ गलत नहीं है, बट आई जस्ट थिंक हर टाइम, हर ईयर के साथ, हर जनरेशन के साथ द लव का वर्ड इवॉल्व्स बट द कोर स्टेज द सेम, आई फील।
मेरा मानना ये है कि बिकॉज मैं 90s में मेरा ग्रोइंग अप फेज था, तो डेफिनेटली मैं उस ज़माने के प्यार से ज़्यादा रिलेट कर पाती हूँ। वो हवा में बाल उड़ना, साड़ियाँ ऐसे यहाँ वहाँ जा रही है, स्लो मोशन में मेरा हीरो भागते हुए मेरे पास आ रहा है।
फुल फिल्मी किसने बोला? फुल फिल्म।
सो आई थिंक सबको यही एक काइंड ऑफ आइडिया, अर्ली आइडिया होता है कि प्यार मेरा ऐसा ही होगा। हालांकि असली ज़िंदगी में तो ये सब होता नहीं है। बट मैं रियलाइज़ करती हूँ कि आज के ज़माने में लोग थोड़े फास्ट पेस्ड हो गए हैं प्यार को लेके। आज हमारे पास डेटिंग एप्स है, लेफ्ट स्वाइप राइट स्वाइप होते ही आप ब्रेकअप और पैचअप एंड रीबाउंड कर सकते हैं। आई नो दैट्स अ रियलिटी, बट मैं फिर भी उसी ज़माने की लड़की हूँ। मैं अभी वहाँ पे ही हूँ कि मेरा हीरो आएगा मेरे पास एंड मेरे बाल उड़ेंगे एंड
ब्लोअर लाइए प्लीज।
वो सभी चाहिए मुझे, इसलिए तो मैं एक्टर बनी हूँ।
सर मैं क्या बोलूँ, बस मिल जाए रोमांस। ओल्ड स्कूल न्यू स्कूल क्या ही मतलब क्या अबे बैठ। हाँ जी ये करेक्ट है सर, मतलब जैसे नहीं जो मिले वो अच्छा नहीं है। ये नहीं बोला मैंने, बिल्कुल नहीं। अनसेन किसी भी तरीके से मिल जाए उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बस मिल जाए। ऑफ कोर्स सर।
मेरी मम्मी इधर बैठी है तो उन्हीं का ख्याल आता जा रहा है। आई थिंक मामा एंड पापा हैव बीन मैरिड फॉर एटलीस्ट over 32 years, and they still go on dates every day. If they go to Geo Mall here and there, you will see them. I want a love like that. That's lasting, and there's romance in that age also. After so many years.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll take one more.
Yeah, this side. Hi, this is Aruna from Bollywood Society.
Aruna.
Yeah.
Hi Aruna.
Hi. My question is for all four of them. How do you relate with your characters?
Okay, so I've said this before. I did not relate so much with my character because I'm the type of person that I find it difficult to say no. And I think Sanya finds it difficult to hear no. So it was really unique to play her. But eventually, when I did play her, I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed setting boundaries and saying no and being a little bit of a gundi, if you can see in the trailer. So it was different, but now maybe we're kind of similar because I adopted some qualities from her into my personality too. Yes.
Hello.
Oh, My character Raghav is actually very, very different than who I am as a person. So I don't necessarily relate to him at all because he's somebody who finds it very hard to say no to his friends. I mean, I do find it hard to say no to my friends also. But like he puts them above himself, and he I think gets into situations that he does not belong to. He has boundary issues. He doesn't understand boundaries, and I feel like I do understand boundaries very well. So I think that's how we're very different. But I do relate on one aspect of his life is that he's very confused and he makes so many mistakes, and then he immediately regrets it. So I feel like I do that too. So that's one bit where I resonated with him. But otherwise, it's a very different character than who I am as a person. Yeah. Thanks.
I actually resonated quite a bit with my character Ria. She's a vulnerable girl, but she's extremely headstrong and level-headed and fights for what's right. There are certain layers to her that I can draw in terms of seeing parallels between a Naila and a Ria, which was very exciting. I feel like I'm a little bit more fiercer than Ria as a person. So I had to bring out my vulnerable side, but that's the fun as an actor, to bring out something that's not you. So I feel like the vulnerability aspect was different, but the fact that she's strong-headed is very much Naila.
So Sahir, my character's name is Sahir Singh Rajput, and Sahir, the similarity I feel between Sahir and me is Sahir is very sensitive and he's a giver and he'll do anything for his friends, and I think that is one quality which is similar between Sahir and me. That's it.
Hi guys, this is Aina from Instant Bollywood. This side. Hi Aina. I love the energy of the trailer. I want to start off by saying that, but I have to ask that I'm sure at some point everyone's been through a heartbreak. What's your personal way of dealing with a heartbreak or a coping mechanism, and how important is it for you all to not break the bro code?
Oh, very important. Rohan, very important. No, but I honestly, I think dealing with heartbreak, what I was saying was dealing with heartbreak actually looks very, very different each day. You know, not even a single day is the same. I think sometimes you need to be by yourself to just process what happened. Sometimes you need, I've heard this new term called TLC, which is tender, that. So you need that from your friends. Sometimes you just need to not go to the gym. I think it just looks very, very different each day. So yeah, I feel like I think it's important to listen to your mind and your heart and just follow and give it what it wants. I think that's how I deal with heartbreak. Yeah. Thank you.
I think for me, what heartbreak has taught me is the importance of self-love. I feel like sometimes we forget to think about ourselves in a relationship and become too giving, which isn't the best way forward maybe. So I feel like when I've experienced heartbreak, it has left me to realize that, hey, I need to take a step back and start loving myself, and maybe then I'll attract the right energy and the right people in my life. So yeah, self-love is key. Thank you.
Where are you? Sorry. I thought it was in the train. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, दिल तो बहुत टूटा है यार life में, but my way of dealing, I think I delete stuff from my phone and all of that. I'm sure people have done that, and yeah, I just like to not hold on to the memories, and I think it's time to move on. प्यार का second round, 21st June, especially now. Please come. Yes.
Nice plug-in. Nice plug-in.
Okay, I think there is nothing a good cry and then some good food can't serve. So I want to go and binge and eat every single thing. That includes first 6th Road Bhelpuri wala ka sukha bhel, medium spicy. Oh my god, I want to go and do that right now.
Meena?
You will take.
Okay, last.
हेलो
My question है, and आप चारों से सवाल है कि फिल्म की शुरुआत हो चुकी है, करियर इस फिल्म से आप लोगों के करियर की शुरुआत हो गई है. सो वो ऐसे कौन कौन से एक्टर हैं इस फिल्म के बाद जिनसे आप बहुत ही इंस्पायर्ड होते हैं, जिनकी फिल्में आप लोग बहुत देखते हैं, आने वाले दिनों में आप उनके साथ में काम करना चाहते हैं?
किसने बोला?
जिब्रान, आपसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं.
I heard Shahrukh from behind. Yes, of course, Shahrukh Khan. 100% Shahrukh Khan. और जो भी.
I really like Manoj Bajpayee's work. And I would love to work with someone like Manoj Bajpayee, Rajkumar Rao, Vikrant Massey. These are my favorites.
So for me, I've always said it. I can't wait for the day I get to work with Shefali Shah ma'am. I think she's an incredible actress, and I'm such a huge fan. Also Vidya Balan ma'am. I think there's just this really endearing quality about her that makes you want to keep watching her. And I want to meet her, and I want to keep watching her, and I want to learn that quality. So, and watch her. Yes.
I would really, I'm manifesting it right now, like to work with Ranbir Kapoor. And my second manifestation, I would love one day to do a film with my cousin as well, Hrithik.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one last question.
Hi everyone, this is Hesha from India Today. Lovely trailer, super cute. I'm obviously going to ask questions of Gibran since we're college friends, we know each other since forever. I'm going to end this thing on love. Gibran, you spoke about old school love and green flag energy. Tell me 3 things according to you that's a green flag that you seek out in your partner.
Oh, I think it's a very universal thing. I think loyalty, respect, and ambition. I feel that those 3 things are very important for me in my relationship. And yeah, simple, sweet. Yes, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Ek baar zordar taaliyan for this amazing team here.
This is Newstainment Television.